Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters of Kashmir. It is an honour for me to be here as a national coordinator for Sadique Insaf, advisor to Imran Khan on issues of Azad Kashmir, and also it is a greater honour to be a daughter of Kashmir on a day where we are honouring a son who has given his life for Kashmir. A brother mentioned earlier that 70 years on, 7 decades on, we are still in a situation where the unfinished business of the British is yet still unfinished. And those of you that are aware of some of the work that our sisters and brothers here are involved in terms of self-determination movement of Kashmir, so that the people of Kashmir themselves can determine their future, will know that we have raised this voice, and this voice is at present being heard in the House of Commons. And we have honourable MPs here, parliamentarians, councillors and other distinguished people are supporting the cause. We mark this day, and this day has been marked by many of us over the last few weeks, from the 11th of February, when we remember a son who gave his life. But I would like to say that the reality is a son whose life was taken. It was an illegal killing of a son who was awaiting for his case to be heard. I'm going to read just a few lines from the case that Shaheed Maqbool Bhat himself put to the committee, and who then decided for their reasons to silence him forever. These words are taken from a case statement which I think details a reflection of what Shaheed Maqbool Bhat was about. I can say without any hesitation that I have not designed any conspiracy, nor have I been part of a group of conspirators. My character has been transparent and unambiguous. However, I have done one thing, and that is the rebellion against ignorance, greed of wealth, exploitation, oppression, slavery, and hypocrisy. If the ruling class of Pakistan, that is a product of imperialism and represented by bureaucracy and military dictatorship of this country, views this as conspiracy, then I have no hesitation in accepting that charge. These are not my words, brothers and sisters, these are the words of Shaheed Maqbool Bhat, who was in the process of putting his case to the council, who were going to determine his fate, and as we know, he was killed in that waiting. 9th of Feb marked the illegal killing of Shaheed Azulguru, who we also salute and remember. But what we must not do is forget that the 11th of Feb was the killing of a very important, momentous son of Kashmir, who opened the hearts and eyes and the doors of people of Kashmir in a different way. I was listening to Sky News this morning, and I think many of you are witnessing what is happening in Russia today. Will it take another martyr, I ask? Will it take another son of Kashmir? Will it take the lives and the respect, the honour of daughters who continue to be raped, killed? How many lives is it going to take before we realize and take our responsibility. And also we talk about our haqq and hukuk, our rights and responsibilities. How many more lives is it going to take? I'll leave that question with you. As a daughter of Kashmir, we are honoured to have the son of what we say is a hero of Kashmir. And I ask you to continue to support the sons of Kashmir who stand there. And Amina, where are you? Lost you. I ask our sisters to continue to stand side by side, our brothers and our sons who continue to fight for us and our honour. Thank you.